Christmas Day, December 25th, of course, 2023. What time is it? About 10 o'clock. 56 degrees. About 10:15. We're going to go right through Athens on our way to Watkinsville, just to get Christmas in Athens on this rainy Christmas day. We will go, I guess we'll go Prince to Millage and then all the way over. We may not video all of it. We're videoing with the S22. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And when we leave my son's house today after Christmas, my intention is to go through Atlanta and get Christmas video in Atlanta. Unless that changes, y'all be looking out for Atlanta Christmas video tonight. I don't know if the rain's going to continue or what it's going to do. Yeah, we got somebody up there that actually driving slower than I want to drive. You know what's up with them today? That's very unusual, isn't it? Passing by the Social Security Administration here in Athens. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll turn it back on when we get a little further over. Okay, I meant to turn it on a little bit sooner. We've just turned on to Georgia Highway 15. This is Millage. I guess this is North Millage, and then we'll have South Millage. Or this may just be Millage. I'm not familiar enough with Athens to know. These videos won't be great, but they will be Christmas Day 2023. We'll have it documented. Now this said alternate 15. Building is still there. I don't know what's going on with them. It takes the varsity forever to get these new ones open. And whatever's going on there, whether it's assemblage, I thought they'd already bought the whole block or whatever, but it's sure taking a long time to do whatever it is they're going to do there. This is US 78. To the right will take you on into Atlanta, and through to the left will take you over to Augusta, or right at Augusta. I guess school's out. Probably very few students in town. I guess they're probably all at home for Christmas, or most of them at least. I think I've checked this year, I think you're about 35,000 UGA students. This driver's side windshield wiper is new. It sounds like it's the one making the noise. And this is another one of those days where you can't get the intermittent correct. Although it's got a bunch of different settings, no matter which setting you put it on, it's not going to be right. left so that you can see more of the other side of the road, or a little bit off center, whatever, whatever you want to call it, aimed a little bit off center. That's sort of interesting framing too. Sometimes I like to frame stuff off center. I'm not nearly as good at composition as I need to be, or as I would like to be, or whatever. But I don't want to put the effort into becoming better either. Fire station here on the right. We're at 5 Points, South Lumpkin and Millage Drive. My Uncle JC had a barber shop right in here somewhere. I thought it was to the left. My cousin Robin thinks it's to the right. I don't know anybody now that would know that the correct answer to that. Maybe one of my cousins, Dwayne or Terrell, or maybe my brother Wayne. I don't know. Well, John or Mary, my cousins John or Mary might know where his shop used to be. This is about as deserted as you're ever going to run across Athens, folks. Follow Millage all the way, or South Millage all the way till it dead ends. We'll be passing by the softball field. We'll be passing by the Georgia Botanical Garden. Both of those will be on the right. I'll just say it right now. If we come up on a red light and there's nobody around, we're going to run it. I think it's absolutely stupid to sit there and wait on a red light when there's nobody coming in any direction. You talk about people that have lost all creative thinking and deductive reasoning abilities, and they just comply because the light is red. We're going to wait for it. Minute and a half, 2 minutes. Not ricky ticky tack. Boy, I hate to give them a video example of it, huh? Somebody wanted to pick up on that. But okay, let me turn it off right quick so there won't be any evidence. I don't have a clue what you're talking about. No, not me. There's some people sitting back there. Why they're sitting back there, I just do not know. I guess they are the kind of people that will comply with any rule, outrageous or not. Coming up on the softball fields. Do they play soccer here too, or is this softball field? I don't know. Soccer. They must play soccer there too. I wonder if Athens Clark has a red light camera back there. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Georgia Seed Development. Garden right there on the right. east Athens and up to Barnett Shoals, Gaines School Road. To the right will take you into Watkinsville and turn into Symington Bridge. And when I was a kid, it was Whitehall all the way through. And if you turn left and go down to the river here, the Whitehall Mill is down there on the right. We're going to go around the roundabout to the right. And we're going to pull over and let these two-speed racers get by. Let them get on down the road on this Christmas morning, get wherever they want to get. We'll be out of the way and they'll be off of our bumper. Okay, I don't know how long this video is, but I think we will wrap it up. We'll be coming up on the middle Oconee River here and here at the bottom of the hill. Now the North Oconee would have been, if we had went left back there, we'd have gone down and went over to the North Oconee. When we cross this bridge down here, we will come into Oconee County. Be leaving Athens, Clark. I think this bridge was built in 1959. I've looked at these bridges before. I don't know if we'll be able to see it on this gray day or not, this fine gray day. Maybe it's 62. 58. There you go. Okay, let's go ahead and turn